Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. I'm the Punggol Handyman. If you're not a subscriber yet, do subscribe to this channel where I put out videos every couple of weeks for guys like you who like to fix up your own house. In this video today we are talking about this thing. This is your dish drying rack, and for some reason ID's put it standard in all Singapore households. Every kitchen I've been to has one of these. But what happens underneath, there's a totally different story, okay? Some of you guys have the nice bloom hinges, but in most 90% of the houses I've been to, they come with these pneumatic piston hinges. And okay, so for some reason I totally forgot what these things are called, so I'm so sorry. You guys can just give it to me in the comments. But yeah, this is prone to failure. It's not meant for this application, but it's what you got, so it's what needs to be fixed. Before I get into it, do leave me a like, share, subscribe, and we'll get into the video. Well, removing this is fairly simple. I'm 6'2", so I've got the door resting on my head. If you need, you get someone to prop the door up for you to make it a bit safer, but you know, I can do it. So you come in with a test pen or a little screwdriver, and there are some slots at the side of the hinges. You want to put your screwdriver in it and you just give it a pry, and this should come right off like that. There you go. There are 4 legs on these caps. Don't break any of them, as these caps are the ones which hold the hinge in place. So there you go. That's one. It looks like this. Okay, and we have another one up here, so just pull that out. Okay, and there you go. You have your second one right there, and it's as simple as just popping them off the ball joint like that. Okay, I'll let the door drop down. Now, the important thing to note about these pneumatic pistons is, first thing, the length. You want to get the appropriate length, so measure and bring it to the shop and get the correct length. This one is 150 newtons, so do take note of that as well. Let me bring it up close. Can you see it? Right there. It says there 150 newtons, which is about 15 kilos of force. Some brands mark it as 15 kilos, some put 150 newtons. There are others which are 8 kilos, 20 kilos. So get the strength which is appropriate for your door. The easiest way is you take out 150, you put 150 back. I'll go right to the shop and I'll be right back. So I got back from the shop. I got these. They come at about $5 a piece. So yeah, just grab the ones that you need. You pop them out of the package, and you see the same caps there were previously, so pull it out, okay, with your screwdriver, this one, there we go, and it's as simple as popping them back onto the ball joint. These ball joints are pretty universal, so they should fit, oops, right there, and you come back with your caps and you put them back in the hole, and this should hold your piston in place. So top one is right there as well. Okay, so there's one more on this side, and I'm going to do the same thing. Well, that's fixed. It's really simple. Do give it a shot before you call anyone down. These can be found in your local hardware stores. That, including all the stuff that I use, is in the description down below, so do check that out. Check right up here for videos just like this one, and the one below here for a whole playlist of all my videos. And until the next time, do leave me a like, share and subscribe, and take care.